Welcome to the SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. This tutorial is about the factory settings. What are factory settings? The factory settings are the settings that the SUNNYHEAT infrared heaters have when delivered. Where can I find the factory settings? The factory settings can be found in the menu under General, Factory Settings. What is the Reset menu? In the Reset menu, the EcoControl thermostat and the SUNNYHEAT infrared heaters connected to it can be reset to the factory settings. Before EcoControl can be reset to the factory settings, the reset must be confirmed with a PIN for security reasons. The default PIN can be found in the instruction manual of the SUNNYHEAT infrared heater. The respective digit of the PIN can be selected with a tap on the desired value. The active value is marked with an arrow. The PIN can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted. A message is displayed asking whether you really want to reset to the factory settings. By pressing the confirmation button, the factory settings are reset and you return to the previous menu. If you press the cancel button instead of the confirmation button, the factory settings are not reset and you return to the previous menu. What is the Change PIN menu? In the Change PIN menu, you can change the PIN to another PIN. The current PIN is entered under Old PIN. The desired new PIN is entered under New PIN. The respective digit of the PIN can be selected with a tap on the desired value. The active value is marked with an arrow. The PIN can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. Tip: it is not possible to reset a forgotten PIN without the manufacturer's help. Therefore, the changed PIN should be noted, for example in the instruction manual. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. EcoControl and thus also the connected SUNNYHEAT infrared heaters have now been reset to the factory settings. The PIN for resetting the factory settings has been changed. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about SUNNYHEAT is available at sunnyheat.com.